The Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade will have an impact on Texans. Last year, the Texas legislature passed a bill that was signed by Governor Greg Abbott to ban most abortions if Roe v. Wade was overturned, which today, obviously, it has been. Political reporter Jack Fink is here with what this means for you.
Well, Keith, people may not be aware of this Texas trigger law. It goes into effect 30 days after it officially becomes entered into the Supreme Court record, and that may take another 25 days. So here's what the law does. It bans most abortions. Now, there are exceptions, and they are to save the life of the mother. The law also makes performing abortions a felony, so doctors caught performing them could face life in prison and fines of at least $100,000. Keith?
The next Texas legislative session is set to begin in January. What can we expect then?
Well, I would expect that Democratic state lawmakers will be filing a lot of bills to try to restore abortion rights in Texas. Right now, there are Republican majorities in both the Senate and the House, and that is not expected to change. But who knows right now how this issue might impact the November election. What one Republican lawmaker has said he is considering is filing a bill to prevent companies and individuals to pay for women here in Texas to travel out of the state to get an abortion. Again, that has not been filed, but it has been discussed. And I'll be speaking with the author of the Texas trigger law and a Democratic state lawmaker, and we'll have their comments later today. Keith?
Can't wait to see your reports, Jack. Implications immediately and implications on the way. Thank you for stopping by. And meantime, our team coverage of Roe v. Wade being overturned continues this morning with Kennedy Walker. And Kennedy also live in studio with a look at what political leaders in Texas are saying right now.
Hey, good morning, Keith. Yeah, reaction has been pouring in all morning long. The first we have from Governor Greg Abbott. He said Texas is a pro-life state, and we will always fight to save the life of every child from the ravages of abortion. And Beto O'Rourke weighed in as well. He says we will overcome this decision in Texas by winning political power. And Attorney General Ken Paxton said, praise the Lord, abortion is now illegal in Texas. And he actually said that today he has decided to close his office and will do that every year after that. And lastly, Planned Parenthood retweeted this. They said, we know you may be feeling a lot of things right now, hurt, anger, confusion. Whatever you feel is okay. We're here with you, and we will never stop fighting for you. Now, we can expect that this is just the beginning of the reaction that's going to be pouring in all throughout the day. You guys can stay with us here on CBS 11 and, of course, on our website to hear what everyone is saying about this being overturned. Back to you, Keith.
Kennedy, thanks. A lot of people weighing in, and certainly more will be coming in the near future. That is for sure. Now, ahead of the ruling, a new poll found that American confidence in the Supreme Court is at a record low. Gallup found that only 25% of the U.S. has either a great deal or quite a lot of confidence in the court. That's down 11 percentage points from this time last year. In the past, the court had been one of America's most trusted institutions. The poll was taken after the draft opinion to overturn Roe v. Wade was leaked earlier this year. Now,